limbering up. Anyone else do a bit of limbering up before a vlog? Roll intro. I believe that KFC's brought out a, just one second, here we go. So KFC have brought out a vegan burger. So at the minute I'm meat free. I've decided 2022 is an ideal time for me to go meat free. I want to lose weight, and to be honest I'm into my third week and I've lost weight. My stomach doesn't feel as bloated, and another weird thing is I'm not craving takeaways. I've kind of like cleansed my body, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm definitely, even though this video is me going to KFC takeaway, but I'm only buying the burger. So if you want to see what the KFC burger looks like, keep watching. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. I'll be back. Anyway, whilst I'm waiting, press the subscribe button. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that button. Still waiting. Ah, thank you very much. Thank you. Here's a massive bag. Bit overkill, but you know, massive bag for this. Apparently the fries aren't vegan, so if you fancy KFC and you want a full vegan meal, you can have a drink and you can have a burger because the chips aren't vegan. The box straight away is weird because you'd think it opened that way, but no, it opens that way. So you've got a sesame seed top bun. I'm just gonna, so there's nothing on that. Well, it's like they've done it upside down, because normally you get like the mayo and lettuce on the top bit. But this one, it does have that KFC smell to it. I've got to admit, it does smell like a KFC. You've got the usual, you've got the lettuce and a vegan mayonnaise. Ooh. I mean, the lettuce smells the same as normal lettuce. I'm sure it's not like vegan lettuce or anything. Lettuce is lettuce at the end of the day. Mayonnaise smells exactly the same as it would. So anyway, I've said this before, but it's got a good weight to it. Sometimes I've had alternatives and they're really light. Let's give it a try. My first impression was it was dry. You definitely need a drink when you have the vegan burger from KFC. It's like, I mean, it could have done with like mayo at the top and bottom maybe. Obviously I know it's not chicken, it's not got the juices and stuff like that, but it just seemed really dry. It was tasty-ish. I did find though around the edges really hard. It was like rock hard. It was like crunching on rock. I'm not in a rush to have another one, if I'm honest. I'm glad I've tried it though, because it was worth trying. And so thanks very much for watching my video. By the way, if you haven't, press that subscribe button and let me know about your vegan experiences. Have you had anything that's been really bad? If so, please comment below. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.